Hi guys, I'm back with one more exciting video. Today we are going to make a water fountain project. Let me tell which things we need for the project. So you need 4 straws, any color straws. I choose blue, green and red because I like them. 2 full bottles and 1 broken bottle. You just cut it from here. So now let's start how to make the project. Now let me start the project. So you take both of these caps and then you glue it on. One should be upside down and one should be like this. And then you glue it. And then you make one hole over here and one hole over here. So it also comes out from here. And we are going to put straws. That's why we are going to do those holes. So, now I'm going to explain how I made this water fountain. So, I remember I said that take 2 bottles and 1 half bottle. So you put 1 bottle over here and then stick the second bottle upside down and then connect the half bottle. And then you connect the blue big straw in the one of the holes over here. It should be bottom to top. And then you stick the green straw to the first bottle to the second bottle. And the red straw to first bottle to the second bottle to the top. Now you put water in the top. And then the blue straw, the water will go in the blue straw and then the water will be filled. Make sure that the whole bottle be filled. So now you have to put water like this. See, the water is going down. Now we need to flip the bottle. Make sure all the water goes in the second bottle. Now when I put little bit water inside, then all the water will come out from here, from the red straw. It's coming out. You see, now the water is coming out automatically. You see, it's so exciting. Let's do it again. Are you excited? You see? Look at it. So fun. This works because of the air pressure in the water. Let's do it again. You see? Now let's do with color water. You see?